Okay folks, let's get ready for workshop 4B on t-tests and chi-square tests. The workshop is now available on Vital. Let's go to module content, quantitative skills, scroll down to workshops, and you will see a workshop 4B folder here. The room allocations are here. Give that a click. Please go to the correct room. We are going to be tight for space. You are in one of two rooms. It'll either be in the engineering building again on the top floor, or you're going to be in CTL. Make sure you go to the right room. If you look in the folder, you can access all of the data sets you're going to need for this workshop. Make sure you know how to access them, and make sure you know how to download them. Make sure you use the right data sets for the right workshop problem. That's one of the most common problems we have. If I go back, if you haven't got a copy of the biomeasurements book, then there are these two PDFs here which give a whistle-stop tour of how to perform a t-test and a chi-squared test. They are really useful if you are trying to do this quick, and they will just walk you through step by step and also help you interpret some of the results there as well. Do take a look at those. Another thing to look at are the workshop 4B video resources. I don't put these here just for fun, guys. These are really useful. In 5 to 10 minutes you can learn a lot about a very particular aspect of these tests. There are also little things on what is a t-test. That's an important question. It'll also tell you why you might be performing these tests in the context of statistics and an application, whether it be in biology or elsewhere. Go and take a look at these. Here's one on inferring population mean, right? Really useful. And they will often explain things from first principles. Right, go and take a look at that. This workshop is mandatory. Please go. Also, make sure you get your workbook signed off by your demonstrators at the end of the session. Okay, right, I will see you next Friday. Have a good weekend.